All right, so today I'm gonna make a quick little refresher smoothie. Nothing special, but it involves CUTIES. CUTIES are these little brand name California mandarins, yeah. And they're like the little snacky ones where you peel them. They're really easy to peel and you just eat them. And they're seedless and all that. And they make for really good smoothies too. So just throw that in the garbage. That's what we're gonna make today. It's gonna be very simple. I just have 3 of these CUTIES and a banana and a little bit of milk, some sweetener, some ice, and it'll be a nice tasty little treat. So let's get started. I'm gonna use the S50 today and we'll call out what each of these ingredients weighs. And so here we go. So I'm going to add probably ½ a cup of milk. You can add nut milk, you can add whatever, or you can add nothing at all. That's about ½ a cup. It's about 120 grams. Yeah, about 4½ ounces or whatever. That's not really important. It's ½ a cup. Peel your CUTIES. They're very easy to peel. That's what makes them so great to take with you for a snack. If I can peel this one fast enough and not make a mess, but whatever. Throw them in. You can throw a banana in at the same time, whatever. Ideally, you want to throw like things that have a lot of liquid in them first, so they land closer to the blades. In this case, it's not really that big a deal. I got my banana in there. Oh, I didn't call out how much that was. Well, this banana is about 140 grams. That's been the average for this bunch of bananas. So 140 grams, take that out of whatever this was. Whatever, that was a total fail. But anyway, 3 little CUTIES, one banana, and ½ cup milk. And you're pretty much all set to go if you don't want to add any sweetener. But I want to add sweetener, as I always do. I like things sweet. So I'm going to add my stevia, which this is actually Splenda. I really don't have a preference to which sweetener I use, as long as it's calorie free. I like things very sweet. So calorie free, I can sweeten as much as I want, no big deal. And we're pretty much gonna add about a ½ tray of ice here. ½ tray of ice, which is about 2 cups of ice cubes. And that should be good. I'm gonna run it in the S50, a little compact personal Vitamix, because that's just what I feel like doing today. Might need to tamper, might not. It's already nice and tight. And we're ready to go. We'll probably use we'll use the power blend. Let's see how that goes. Might be a manual operation, might need a tamper, who knows? We'll see. Letting it churn up on its own. It's not like a recipe that's in a recipe book, so never know what'll come out. It's turning pretty good, might not need this. Actually turned pretty good. Didn't need any assistance whatsoever. With the amount of ingredients, it's pretty good. It's it's a lot of liquid, so it didn't need a lot of help. This is nice and thick, nice and smooth, with a little bit of frost thanks to the ice cubes. Man, look at that. That is nice. Put my straw in there. Taste test. Oh yeah, very nice. That slight hint of the mandarin, the banana, and sweetened by the stevia for the ice cubes is really, really good. Very tasty, refreshing. You can pretty much add protein powders or whatever you want in here, make it a bit more anabolic for your workout, your diet, whatever it is. But very tasty, very good, very refreshing, very fast, and easy to do with Vitamix. That's it. Have a good one.